Global investors seem to be bullish on Japan right now. As we speak, the Nikkei 225 index is up 16% this year. Warren Buffett has been buying Japanese trading companies. We have a new Bank of Japan governor. Do you think this enthusiasm over Japan's economy is warranted?
I'm on the pessimistic side because I've seen the Japanese economy, especially I was analyzing the wages back in BOJ. Although labor market is tightening, reflecting the kind of decreasing population, the wages never move because the prolonged macroeconomic stagnation made firms cautious about raising wages, caring about its profits.
Do you think Governor Ueda's background as an academic is an advantage or a liability given the challenge in front of him?
I think it's a massive advantage. He communicates very clearly and logically, and I guess markets are understanding his intention more clearly than I would say his predecessor Kuroda. So I think that's a good start. I guess Ueda does not like providing surprise. He says surprise is sometimes necessary, but basically he tries to avoid it.
There's been a perception that ESG has been slow to gain traction in this part of the world, in Hong Kong, in Japan, in China. Do you think that perception is justified? And if so, why do you think that is?
That's a challenging issue still for the Japanese firms. We don't see a lot of female CEOs and also in the board members. And sometimes I see a shareholders report dominated with old men. And still it needs to be improved.
Was there a defining moment or maybe a defining period during your earlier years that put you on the path to becoming an economist, first at the Bank of Japan and now at Bloomberg?
I feel very nostalgic about Japan's macroeconomic stagnation. So I was born just in the same timing of the peak of Nikkei stock price. And I just, growing up in Japan, I just saw stock prices falling, housing prices falling. So to me, stock price is something that declines and price is something that's getting cheaper.